Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're coming to you from the May edition of the Amelia Cruisers Beach Diner Cruise-In. And this is the car show cam. It was a little rainy that afternoon, so there weren't very many cars that showed up to the cruise-in, but there were a few cars, so I'll show you what I got. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Don't know that they managed to do their cruise today.
No. Where are you parking?
Over there by that tree.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm thinking right there.
Where are you setting your camera at?
Right there.
Okay. Key.
You could hop out and record them as they're coming by behind us.
You got a rear camera. You see his little walker thing?
Yeah.
It looks like it's heavy duty. For someone like you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Alright.
It's not recording.
And I have to hold it up to where it's not in the mirror.
Yep.
Alright. There we go.
Alright.
Is there a way out back here?
Yep. Right there where that stop sign is.
No, I meant around that way.
I don't know about that way.
But you're going to do U-turn if you go out that drive.
No,
Wait a minute. You did that back road. Okay.
I've done the back road.
Okay.
I actually want to just pull up here for a second to put everything away.
Alright.
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. Even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.